Here's a quick tutorial on how to add a record in Plesk. Access your Plesk control panel by logging in. In the Websites and Domains tab, click on the domain for which you want to update DNS records. Then, go to the Hosting and DNS tab and click on DNS. Select the Add Record option to create a new DNS entry. Choose the ARecord type from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required details such as name, TTL, and other fields, then click OK to save. Click Update. Plesk will now apply the changes to your DNS records. A confirmation message will appear once the update is successful.